Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Bull Trade Guru. Today we are discussing about an IPO, upcoming IPO, which is Paytm. So I don't need to give an introduction about Paytm, right? So everybody knows like what Paytm is. Normally they are one of the biggest digital, I would say the fintech uh, organization which accepts the digital payments. So Paytm is one of the oldest digital transformation that has come into the fintech business, right? So they normally accept like payments in parking, milk booths, and even the auto rickshaws, tea stalls, groceries, petrol pumps. So like it's a daily routine that you guys go on with this particular app. And this company has grown over the years like to a massive valuation at the current situation while we are looking at. All right, so the company is planning on an overall amount to around 18,300 crores. That's the plan that the company intends to raise. But when we look at the overall, the fresh issue will be close to 8,300 crores. Coming to the part of remaining 10,000 crores, the company is thinking of raising through the OFS, which is the offer for sale from the existing shareholders. So when we look at the price that it is intending to be listed, which is 2080 to 2150 rupees per share. That's the price band that we are looking at. So what the company dates that's been listed here. All right. So the bid opens on November 8th, which is tomorrow, and the bid closes on November 10th, and the allotment finalization will be done on the November 15th. And people who will not be receiving the IPO, they will start receiving the refunds from November 16th onwards. And the equity shares will be credited on November 17th, and the final listing will happen on November 18th. So this is the overall process. So should you invest in this IPO? That's a big question that you need to ask yourself, right? Because at the end of the day, there were few IPOs which made a very big debate. Where let's take an example of Zomato. So the Zomato made really wonderful take over there. And there was one more defense IPO which was launched recently. So even that IPO like zoomed, like almost gave a 177% return on its opening. But can this be one among them? Let's go ahead and see. Because at the end of the day, when you book an IPO, it should give you a return, right? So looking at the financials of the company, all right, so the company is not performing really well over the years. The company is making losses. But when we look at the last year performance, it has reduced almost 30% of its debt. That's what, while I was going through the company, this is what I found. They are trying to work on improving their debt, and they're trying to work on improving their current status. That's a positive sign that the company shows on, right? And having said that, India is still lacking behind in the digital payments. Like we are one of the country who does a lot of digital transactions, but still we are not up to the mark that we should be looking at the current population that we have. Having said that, when we consider even the literacy population, so we still have a large, a large milestone that needs to be covered, right? So though you can apply for almost around six quantity that comes to somewhere close to 12,000 rupees. And in case if you the maximum lots that you can apply, that is up to 90 shares, which is 15 lots. So that comes to a total of approximately 1,93,000. So guys, it's your call at the end of the day. I just want to showcase, because the company is trying to improve on its overall performance in its debt, trying to reduce the debts. But on the other hand, the company being overvalued, is it overvalued? That's a question that you need to ask yourself, right? So before investing, all right. So yeah, so it's safe investing, and take care, and hope to see you soon in the next video.